What's going on, everybody? It is Jamie and welcome to the channel Thrift on Fire. This week we're going to be adding to the yard sale playlist. It's a long weekend here in Ontario. When I'm recording this anyway, it is August 5th. So this is the civic long weekend in Ontario. So I got out this morning and hit some yard sales. I got up pretty early. It was sort of hit and miss. I'm going to share the good and the bad with you here. And that's one of the things I pride myself in this channel. I try, I'm obviously going out there every time and trying to hit dingers, but
at home they call me Big Al and I hit dingers.
it doesn't always go that way. And sometimes it's, it's people making it difficult. I don't really want to say too much negative in that aspect because you're allowed to charge whatever you want for items. They are your items. You can do whatever you want with them. The other thing is if you decide to not sell an item and you change your mind, that's totally okay too, but it is a little bit frustrating if you're out there trying to find the deals. So I'm going to show you the good, the bad, and the ugly today. So let's get into it. Morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm good, and you? So yeah, $20 baseball bat there. All these hats are $5, and then the Air Max you see me pick up, $60. Just can't do it. So just a little bit of perspective here. It's about 9:30 in the morning. I've been yard selling for 2 hours, and this is the first place that I even bought anything. Morning.
Hi there.
Do you know what any of the shirts and stuff are you're asking for?
Pardon me?
Do you know how much you want for any of the clothing?
$2.
$2?
Yeah.
Okay. Grab these guys anyway.
That's $6 then. Yeah.
There's a whole bunch of guys stuff in this section from
Okay.
here down.
Yep. Do you know what like the shoes and stuff?
What about them?
Like how much? Like how much do you want for them?
Those are golf shoes, eh?
Yeah.
Oh, what do you want to give for them?
I don't. Let's look at the other one quick.
Or what? Or 5?
Yeah,
I was gonna say
five is
$5.
fine. Yep. Okay. We'll add those.
How about some rubber boots?
Yeah. You never know what's gonna happen, eh?
Found them when I'm done, right?
All right. So I think I'm at $11. Is that right?
Yeah.
Okay.
And $9 is your change.
Awesome. Thank you.
Your shoes are in one bag and your shirt's in the other.
Oh. Sorry.
Right beside you.
Oh, how much is your Nintendo stuff here?
I
have somebody saying they want it all. It's all new. It was literally used once.
Okay.
Once, and everything's here. Everything's intact as new. It's almost like you can open it all up. I have a guy that said he's coming for $350, but I said it's going in the garage sale.
Yeah.
So if I get an offer any near that, I would.
The Wii's actually brand new? Like never been
everything.
open?
Okay, opened, but that's it.
Okay.
We're old. We hated it. But look at the games alone.
No, I can see it well. So this is what concerns me. That's instantly not the right game. I'm sure it's in there. Yeah.
Okay. Did you do 250?
No, so I buy stuff to sell it. I can tell you that's maybe would sell on eBay for $100 in the box.
Yes.
Maybe.
Okay.
Like I sell them out of the box for about $45.
Okay, open it. We'll see.
No, I believe you. It's just hard unless it's sealed because you can't. I couldn't sell it as new unless it was new, right?
But could you sell the bundle?
It's opinion. This isn't worth anything. This is about 3 of those games are good. Yeah, I don't.
Okay, how about 150
150.
for it all, and you can inspect it.
Yeah.
$5 for the set.
See that. That's. Where's that game? No cards.
Just double check everything.
See that this should be here.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
There's no children in this house, so it's just old people thinking they want these things.
Oh yeah.
Thank you very much.
You have any balance? Balance.
Buttons?
Balance.
Balances? No, I don't. But you know what I have? Here, just give me a second. It's not a balance. Do you sew it all? Do you sew it all? I sew sewing.
So I spent a few minutes comping things out. It just at the end of the day, it still wasn't worth it. I know she started high and she did talk herself down to the $150 point. I really wanted to make a deal, but everything here was overpriced, and you'll see that here in a second.
Think she'd like that?
Tear it apart.
Well, I was just looking, I don't think
But it got hit by lightning or the storm. We don't know which it was. It was massive.
Probably passing that, but the Birkenstocks there, you know, don't want for those?
15.
15?
Yep.
Okay.
You have something?
Good, thank you.
great weekend.
Yeah, yeah. Nice to get a long weekend too, eh?
Yeah.
Okay. Good choice.
They're all like an 11 to 12 kind of thing.
Yep. This is 12. What do you want for
All the
shoes?
shoes are 5.
5?
They're like new.
Yeah. Sweet. I'll grab the. Somebody was really into dinosaurs, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. A bracelet? Yeah, I could probably buy a bracelet before I leave.
I make them.
You do? Awesome. How much are they?
So these ones are 2, but the ones with the charms are 3.
Okay.
There's also more in here.
Oh, with a little pineapple? I think my wife would like that one. Are they all the same size?
Not all of them, but they do have
Show
such a
him
story.
some of the larger ones. I mean.
Okay. This is one of the large ones. Like, here's some of the more larger ones.
Okay.
And we also have this matching one,
Oh.
where it's for a kid and an adult.
Okay, that's cute.
And that one is $4 because it's 2 in the bracelets. But these ones are the more larger ones, and then I think I have some large ones. Yep, I have this purple one with grapes on them.
Oh, with grapes on them? Okay.
I thought it would make sense.
Yeah, well, let's do this one. So this is $4, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So, let's see. And what are you going to do with all your money?
I'm saving up for a laptop.
Oh, that's a really good plan. And then 5 for the shoes, right?
Yeah,
And
thank
toys,
you.
because I like toys.
Nice. Well, I would save for the laptop first.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Have a good day.
You too.
What do we do with it? That's it. That's easier.
Do you want a bag?
No, for my vehicle, right there.
Okay.
So I got, this was 5, 6, 7.
Yep. And do you want that stand?
Yeah, this.
Yeah.
Is that okay?
Do you know if this thing works as far as you know?
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
And my husband I'm so sorry. Somebody said, oh, you have VHS? He's like, that's where my VHS, because he's a fan. And they have it all on VHS.
Oh, okay, so you're not selling it.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Sorry
Oh,
about
no
that.
problem.
I meant to grab it.
That's not a problem at all. So I'm just getting out of a yard sale. For some reason, my GoPro didn't record, but I did pick up Dexter, the complete series. Paid $5 for this. All the discs are here and in good shape, so I think this one should be pretty good. I'll throw a comp up on the screen right now. I haven't really looked it up, but for $5, I don't think I can go wrong. Darkwing Duck. How much do you want for your Wii games here?
$2.
Okay. Oh, it doesn't look too bad. $2.
Actually, you know what? $1 each.
Okay. Yeah, sure. I'll do that. Did you have a bunch of video game stuff, or that's all you had?
I still have more. I just wasn't sure.
Oh, I'd be interested if you actually want to sell some of it. Thank you.
Yep.
Oh, sports game?
What's that?
Sports game?
Yeah.
Yeah. 18.
And this one is in the wrong case.
Uh-oh.
It's got some scratches on it. But it's not even in the
Assassin's Creed, yeah. Okay. Well, thanks. It's worth asking always,
Yeah,
right?
no problem.
Thank you. All right, so there was so much more I could have shared with you guys, like $10 PS2 games that were worth nothing, overpriced, everything. Just Saturday just seemed to be like that, and you know, that's just sometimes the way that it goes. And you know, I like to share that with you guys, just to kind of give you an idea of me going through the same struggles. I'm sure a lot of you go through as well, because you know, sometimes you turn videos on like this, if you're, you know, whether you watch this channel or other channels, or you're just popping into the channel for the first time or whatever, you see people like myself portray stuff on the internet, like we're just going and finding all this stuff and it's just everywhere. No, I spent 2 hours before I actually even picked up my first item. I didn't pick up a lot of stuff, had a lot of crazy stuff happen to me that day, so I just wanted to share a little bit of that with you so you could get a glimpse of realistically what it looks like to be a reseller. That's more typical of what a regular day looks like, and I like sharing that too. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. If you do like videos like this, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing for more content. Until next time, take care, stay safe, we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.